Forex, and crypto are things we like to invest though.
CEO of InvestDiva.com, author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, Kiana Daniel.
The CEO of Invest Divas, Kiana Daniel.
Joining us now, the author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies and Invest Diva CEO, Kiana Daniel. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, we have Kiana Daniel. She is the CEO of Invest Diva.
Kiana, great to have you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. Hey, it's Invest Diva and your investing coach, Kiana. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I'm a former electrical engineer who found the power of investing during the market crash of 2008. I started trading Forex right there and then and expanded to other assets like stocks and crypto as the years went by. What you'll learn by subscribing to this channel includes 1. How to make your money work for you without being a math whiz or being stuck to your screen all the time. 2, you're gonna learn how to understand your risk tolerance and create investment strategies that are unique to you and your personal financial situation. And 3, how to start profiting in crypto without taking too much risk. I can't wait to see you in my new videos, so go ahead and click on the subscribe button, give my videos thumbs up, and follow me across my social media. I'm also adding a link to my masterclass, 3 secrets to making your money work for you, to get you started with what you can expect from me. I'll see you on the net, and remember, make your money work for you. Stocks, Forex, and crypto, Stocks, Forex, and crypto are things we like to invest. Stocks, Forex, and crypto.